Transport Minister Marvin Godino clarified that the cab aggregator policy is only a draft open for public feedback. He assured that no final decision has been made and promised discussion with taxi operators, party leaders, and the cabinet. Godino also welcomed the idea of local taxi operators launching their own app.
వాళ్ళు సోగలా వసత దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఆస్కింగ్ హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ एवरीवन सो एनी डिसीजन दैट विल हैव कम ऑन दिस वो अजूनही तिथून डिस्कशन अजूनही हो ना
Well, I am again telling you, it is only a draft notification. We have put in public domain what is the intention of the government is to use technology for the running of taxis, buses and transportation. You know this is a problem in Goa. Ata, once the last date is over, what we will be doing is, we will be calling everyone for discussion. Some taxi fellows, like for example South Goa, Margaon, have already requested me to come and see me. I told I will meet only when last date is over. I will meet whoever wants to meet. We will certainly take their opinion into account. Only after means we get all the opinions, we will formulate what we think is in the larger interest of Goa, what is in the larger interest of they themselves. Government is not against them, as they are interpreting and they are firstly drawing conclusions. After taking all opinions, it will go to the cabinet, and even before it goes to the cabinet, we will also be discussing this issue in our party, because the party also has to be taken into account, their opinion. After all this exercise, then the final draft notification will come, and that time we will be deciding. And there is no question of forcing anything down their throat, what I have been saying right in the beginning. They can come with their own app. Even now I am saying, come with your own app, local Goans, local taxiवाले ज्यांना तुम्ही मुद्दा तुम्ही तुमचे ओन ॲप घाला बरं, आमकां मातशें पूण प्रॉब्लेम ना. आनी तशें जाल्यार तांकांय बरें आमकांय बरें. भायले हाडटले, भायरसून हाडटले, कितें फायदो भायले हाडून? What is the use for Goa? We only want that transportation system should be स्मूथ, सिमलस, लोकांक प्रवास करपाक मेळपा जाय. आनी तेंचेरूच जे स्टोरी करता बाकीचे थोडेशे ट्युरिस्ट येवन जे आमी हातभर ट्युरिस्ट व्हायरल जाता ते जावपाचें बंद जातलें. तें आमचें कर्तव्य, नाजाल्यार ट्युरिजम फुडाराक काबार जातलें. इज इट नॉट द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू डू दीस? वी आर फर्स्टली इन्फरिंग, येस वी वॉन्ट टू स्टॉप देम. Local taxi fellows will be, who is giving them that impression? I don't know.
Transport Minister Marvin Godino has chosen not to engage with the latest remarks made by Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. When questioned, Godino simply stated no comment. He is changing statement day by day. The brief yet pointed response comes amid rising political back and forth between the two leaders, adding fuel to the ongoing speculation about intra-party differences.
Sir, but Michael Lobo is saying that we will not allow the outside app to operate in Goa.
So, Michael, it is his opinion. He says so many things. Just the other day, previous day, he had supported the app. And again, a different statement come. Again today, another. Let him keep making statement. It is his thing. I don't want to comment on what Michael is saying.
Okay. Thank you.